So guys, as we told you guys, it's a nature walk just around Westland, and at the same time tuna house hunt pia. Actually it can be house hunting episode 1. Tunaangalia tuangalie, we're still checking the environment. Ile environment itatusuit, I think we'll be okay because we still have options. Right now we just headed we're headed to Westgate right now, Peponi Road. Hello guys, it's Sami Family 254.
Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. It's Sami Family 254 guys.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's been very long. Actually, tumekawia kidogo guys.
No, not really.
It's about 2 weeks actually.
About 2
the last
weeks,
time we posted, it was 2 weeks ago.
But I think some of our fans were asking
Where
where
are
are you?
we?
You see?
Yeah.
Now guys, remember as usual, it's Sami Family 254, and always remember to subscribe, share, and like.
Yes guys.
We are here and we are back for you. For our returning subscribers,
Thank you so much for always appreciating our content.
Yes.
If you're new in this page, kindly remember to subscribe.
Yeah.
Like, share, and comment. Usitoke hapa guys.
Yeah, so guys, we are here today and tumepotea sana.
Hatujapotea sana.
Yeah. What do you want to do or what do you want to show our good people today? Tell them where we are heading.
Supposed to tell them.
Now from here, we just want to go for a nature walk, with our baby boy here is relaxing there.
Kitu kama hiyo. Something of that sort, guys.
Yes. It's a nature walk and we just going to
stroll a bit in town. Though the weather is bad, guys.
Yeah.
But I think we'll try to capture memories we can.
Yeah, most especially on Westland. Nini. Tunataka kutembea kidogo. Yeah, and remember guys, house tour or it's coming, by the way.
It's coming hot. Big and better.
It's coming very it's a ni so house tour mtangojea hapo pia, it's coming very hot and currently we are going for a nature walk. Tunataka to stroll hapo West kidogo guys. We just show you some part of some environment, how it is. Yeah, and I think it's gonna be lit.
You'll enjoy. Yes guys.
Yeah, so is there anything else?
But yeah guys, we are really bad.
Sawa. Unajua akiingia tu kwa gari hivi ndio yeye ameanza kulala.
Yes. So nilikuwa nawaambia like tumekawia kupost actually. It's been 2 weeks. We've been up and down guys. I think you know we've been up and down. Yeah. So maybe hatujapata time ya kushoot, but
because
guys
just moving. By the moving is not something easy. Cynthia?
Moving out.
Yeah.
Tell them moving out.
Yeah, moving out is not something easy. We've been up and down.
Yes.
And house tour inakuja noma sana.
Like that guys. So I think you like the video, you'll share, you'll subscribe guys. Singekuwa na mtoto ningeonyesha Luku. Bas.
Luku naweza songesha kamera kidogo.
Hawataona vizuri
tuongeshe kidogo. Yes. We can still show them local. Yeah.
Guys,
God have mercy upon us.
Yes. Tuko rooftop guys. That is this is the place where we realize it's a cool environment.
Yeah, sure.
Tuangalie hapo tuchukue our introduction here so that we head to Westland right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like that tumeonesha yote.
Yeah, Luku ndio hiyo.
Hata niwe mguu waone.
Yes.
Luku ndio hiyo. Like that guys.
Yeah, so our baby boy is relaxing over there. He's anapenda kulala by the way. Anatulia kidogo hapo. At the moment najua tukakuwa tumeingia ndani ya gari. Ye kawaida ni kulala.
Yeah, so guys, come with us, enjoy with us the vlog. Yeah, we'll show you everything.
Just take your time for this great moment. We are with you and we're walking together with you, right?
Yes.
We're going to show you each and every step, right?
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe, share, and like.
And comment, guys.
And comment. You can also share our link to any of your WhatsApp groups. Cynthia?
Yeah.
It's a road to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Let's go.
Yes, so guys, we are leaving Wayaki Way, joining Ring Road Kilimani right now. as I told you guys, it's just a nature walk, and at the same time we are house hunting just around Kilimani. Tutaka tupitie mpaka huko side za Westgate pia kidogo kidogo. So guys, we still moving just along Peponi Road. Tunataka tupige hiyo U-turn. We go the other side of Westgate. Hapo nyuma ya Westgate pia there is some beautiful buildings. Tupige macho tuangalie ziko aje, because we are not giving up anytime soon. We still moving around na lazima tutapata the building yenye tulikuwa tunahitaji. Now guys, we've gone through ST, and I think this is the border of Westland and Parklands. Wacha turudi upande wa town sasa, crossing through Parklands. But I think kwa hizo zote zenye tumeona pia tumeridhika za someone to of them, and wacha tuangalie tena next time, because hata next time pia ni siku. Yeah, this time round pia lazima tupate what our heart desires, ama ni aje babe, si ni hivyo?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so let us take our time. This is a golden time. We must be very careful.